Gemma Collins spent £22,000 on an enormous wooden elephant for her garden. The sculpture weighs 300 kilograms and needed 4 workmen to lift it after being transported from London to Essex. Gemma warned them, "Be careful," as they carried it out of the van. "This is a big moment, guys," Gemma explained. "This elephant was in Green Park and was named after me. I love elephants, so it's so good to finally have it in my garden. I'm going to get so much enjoyment out of this." Proudly seeing the elephant in its new home, Gemma said, "Wow, she's beautiful." The star told fans she had paid for the pricey statue, but revealed all funds will go to the charity Elephant Family. Seller Coexistence explained, "Funds raised by Coexistence will be directed to grassroots organizations across India that allow people and wildlife to live together more peacefully." The sculptures come in 4 main sizes. Each sculpture is unique, exact dimensions will vary. Gemma's been getting her dream Essex home fitted with all of her favorite things after boosting her earnings in lockdown thanks to a lucrative clothing brand and solo reality TV series. The TOWIE star snapped up the glass-fronted, open-plan home for an eye-watering £1.3 million. The 40-year-old's house boasts high ceilings supported by wooden beams, a spectacular spiral light feature, and dozens of windows including floor-to-ceiling glass windows that let in plenty of light. On one side of the huge open-plan living room lies 2 grey velvet sofas and a blue velvet armchair, glass coffee tables, and a glossy white cabinet with potted pans. In the middle of the room, opposite wide patio doors, is a modern pine dining table that can seat up to 10 people, with benches on either side instead of chairs. Yet there is still enough space for a vast blue and cream kitchen, as well as a kitchen island, with cabinets stacked high and spanning 3 walls. The photos also revealed Gemma's humongous master bedroom, which has its own ensuite bathroom and walk-in wardrobe. The estate agent pictures show how the house looks now, but no doubt the GC will add her own features and plenty of pink accessories to bring it up to her diva standards. She has already forked out on a life-sized glittery horse for her new pad. Gemma has already started buying bits for her new home and took to Instagram to show them off.